Hello friends. Today I will tell you about natural treatments and home remedies for spider bites. We know that spiders do not feed on us, humans, like some biting insects. In the most cases, spiders bite as a defense mechanism. In the most cases, spider bites are medically known as arachnidism and they are not a matter of concern. Spider bites can cause mild symptoms like itching, pain, redness and limited inflammation. Depending on the type of spider, the symptoms of spider bite can last a few hours to several times per day or even weeks. But you should know that the bites from poisonous spiders like brown recluse spiders and black widow spider are dangerous. These spiders live in undisturbed areas. In these cases, it is recommended to get medical help, especially if you are experiencing symptoms such as lightheadedness, difficulty breathing, vomiting, abdominal pain, fever and chills, muscle spasms, intense pain and stiffness and severe swelling. At times, the spider bite may not be serious immediately, but it can become severe after some period has passed. When people are trying to treat spider bites, then the main goal is to neutralize the bite and to rid of any toxins which are in their bodies. There are many effective home remedies which can ease the symptoms and promote the healing process. If you have noticed that the symptoms remain after a few days, then you should talk with your doctor. If you have been bitten by a poisonous spider like brown recluse spider or a black widow spider, then you should seek immediate medical attention. Also, you should get medical help if you are not sure if the spider that has bitten you is poisonous spider. You should monitor the spider bite for a couple of days to keep a check on how well the symptoms are healing. You should remove piles of rocks from your garden area. Be extra careful when cleaning out crawl spaces, attics, basements, garages and sheds. To prevent the spider bite, you need to wear a long sleeve shirt and pants, boots, gloves and hat when handling firewood or stored boxes. Here are some home remedies for spider bites. Number 1. Potatoes. This is a very easy and effective home remedy which can bring down the inflammation and itching. Due to its soothing and anti-irritating properties, it can keep the affected area moisturized to encourage the quick healing. You should peel one large potato and then wash it thoroughly. You should grate the potato using a grater. You should put a handful of the wet potato shreds into a piece of thin cloth and then tie it securely. You should clean the affected area using rubbing alcohol and then put the potato poultice on it. You should leave it until the potato begins to dry. You should discard the old potato and then clean the affected area with warm water. You should reapply a fresh poultice and repeat it until your symptoms are gone. Number 2. Activated charcoal. This is also very effective home remedy. It has an innate absorption property which can help to draw out and remove toxic substances from your body. 1. After the toxic substances out of your body, then the tenderness and inflammation will reduce automatically. You should make a paste of some activated charcoal using a little water. Apply this home remedy on the affected area after you have cleaned the affected area with warm water. To keep this home remedy in place, you should put a bandage over it. You should repeat it every 3 hours for the first day to neutralize the toxin. If needed, you can also follow this home remedy the next day also. You can take activated charcoal capsules after you have talked with a doctor. Number 3. Salt. This is a very easy home remedy for spider bites because it has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. This home remedy can effectively draw the venom of a spider bite, which can promote quick recovery. 2. Also, it can reduce the redness and inflammation. You should wash the affected area thoroughly using lukewarm water. You should sprinkle some table salt on a wet washcloth. Also, you can use sea salt or kosher. You should bandage the washcloth to the affected part for a couple of hours and then remove it. You can reapply if it is needed. Number 4. Baking soda. This is one of the most effective home remedies for spider bites. We know that the baking soda is an alkaline substance which can help to draw out the venom, which will help reduce inflammation, itching and pain. You should mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 3 teaspoons of water. You should apply this home remedy with the help of a cotton ball on the affected area for 5 minutes. You should wash the affected area using lukewarm water. If you have noticed that the discomfort persists, then repeat it after a few hours. Number 5. Ice pack. If you are bitten by a spider, then the first thing which you should do is to clean the wound using mild soap and water. Then, you need to apply an ice pack on the affected area. It is known fact that cold temperature will help to numb the nerve endings, reduce swelling and inflammation and soothe the itching sensation. 3. You should wrap a few ice cubes in a thin towel and place it on the affected area for 10 minutes at a time. You should repeat as needed during the initial 24 hours. Also, you can put the affected area under cool running water for a few minutes. You should never put ice directly on the skin. Number 6. Lemon juice. This is also a very effective home remedy that will give you a relief from the inflammation, swelling and itching. It is natural astringent, which means that it can help quickly to dry out the skin rash which is caused by spider bites as well as prevent infection. 4. You should extract the juice from a fresh lemon and apply it on the affected area using a cotton ball. Let it dry and then you should rinse it off using lukewarm water. Also, you can take a piece of lemon and rub it against the affected area for 2 to 3 minutes. You should wait for another 5 minutes and then rinse it off. You should follow either of the mentioned home remedies a few times per day. Number 7. Turmeric. This home remedy is a natural painkiller which has antioxidant, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It can promote recovery by reducing inflammation, swelling and pain. 5. You should mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder with enough olive oil to form a paste. You should apply this paste on the affected area. Let it stay there for 10 minutes before you rinse it off using warm water. Also, you can mix a little water, a handful of thoroughly washed Indian lilac, neem, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder in a blender to make a thick paste. You should apply this home remedy on the affected area. Let it stay there for 20 minutes and then rinse it off using warm water. You should repeat some of the mentioned home remedies a few times per day. Number 8. Peppermint. This natural cure has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that will help to relieve inflammation, swelling and pain. 6. It can soothe and calm the itchiness that are caused by spider bites. You should rub freshly extracted peppermint juice on the affected area. Let it stay there for 15 to 20 minutes before you rinse it off using cool water. You should repeat this natural treatment once or twice more, if needed. Also, you can apply 1 or 2 drops of peppermint oil directly on the affected area 2 or 3 times per day. You should always do a spot test before you apply peppermint oil directly on your skin. Please note, these remedies may not be suitable for everyone, so you should select one that suits you, and if required, kindly consult your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.